Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix you are signed out of PlayStation Network on GTA 5 in the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So basically guys, if you get this error, that means that you are not connected to your PlayStation Network account. This means one of the two things. One of the reasons is maybe you're just not connected to the internet. So we're going to check the internet connection first of all. So just go here to the top. Right here you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find games, media, search, settings, and right here you're gonna find your profile icon. So right now, go ahead and click on settings. And then once you do that, right here, you're gonna find accessibility, network, users and accounts, family and parental controls, system, storage, sound, screen and video, and so on. So once you're here, just go ahead and search for network. And then once you find it, go to connection status, make sure this is your Wi-Fi network, and then go ahead and click on test internet connection. Start your test and see if you are connected to a working Wi-Fi network. If your internet is working and everything right here is successful, just go back and then check if you are signed into your PlayStation network. If not, just go ahead and click on switch user, and then you can basically remove this user and click on add user and add your account again and see if your problem is fixed. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.